Ah. What's that? Oh. Live. Alright, peoples. What's going on? What's cooking? What's happening?
One person, two people.
Yeah, so as you know, guys, dédié à travail sur plusieurs bagay. So, hey, ça va fait là. Bon, je dis accompagné de ma belle wife. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah. So we're working on something. You want to talk about it?
Non, mais pas long.
En tout cas, nous avons une série qui nous parlé de lui qui sorti chaque semaine. En sérieux, nous avons sorti la première vidéo dimanche passé. Mais en sérieux, j'aime dire là, il n'y a pas toujours son série. Il y a plusieurs bails là-dedans. Hey Esther. And so, jeudi c'est une là-dedans. So, like I said, moi et avec chérie, on travaille on something. Working on something. Alright, you talk.
Salut tout le monde. Nous disons grand bonsoir à nous tous qui branchent aujourd'hui. So far we have 20 people watching.
Yeah.
So thank you for tuning in. Roosevelt and I travaillé sur un projet ensemble. Actually, nous avons un pile projet nous travaillons ensemble sur yo. Alors, jeudi, c'est un an que après l'église, on décide de sortir pendant que nous quittons maman avec Simon. Like, finally, we have a little break.
Yeah. You know what? We should go somewhere else. If you know what I mean.
Pas mettre business dans la ligne, non? Pas faire mal comme ça.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, no, we are working on something. Not built a fireplace together. That's basically what we're doing.
I thought you were not gonna say what it is.
Why not? Why not say? Yeah, so project que nous allons filmer, and then we're gonna upload it soon, very soon to YouTube. Roosevelt là, parce que n'a pas where this is 2020, so à nos côtés it's very uncertain. Ou pas jamais connaître ça qui arrive, ou travailler aujourd'hui, demain, ou you can lay you off, where ou pas on travaille encore. So tout ça n'a fait, it's best that nous save your money. Si que ou bon bagay ou ka fait pour quoi, fait pour quoi. Si que comme si par exemple, gen bay qui
gen bay ou pas mess with.
Ou
Electricity, I don't mess with that. Plumbing, I don't mess with that because
Yeah, donc ou second projet la caille ko vle travail là-dedans.
Même plumbing ou bien électricité, ça dépend de qui ça lié. Ba va changer en lumière, moi on est
Yeah, so it's best that we actually try to do ça nous get pour faire.
Not try. We're going to do it ourselves.
Yeah.
Parce que I'm capable. I'm a man, for God's sake.
Yeah, but sometimes men messed up, for God's sake.
Well, that happens.
Yeah, so basically this is one of the projects that we're working on today. We are on our way to Home Depot or Lowe's pour nous acheter quelques bails que nous avons besoin.
Yeah.
Et puis, we just wanted to say hello to you guys. Why not? Right?
Alors, fond du bal depuis le commencement, we asked somebody to do it. On boss. C'est moi des millions 20. Nah. Non. Parce que Freddy a privé sur nous là. Bien que nous gain heat, but sometimes you want to be cozy, you want to be, so go fireplace dans la là, Fok li use, wak kon fè plis ki pa pou fè. So, nou di bon, an nou mette fè
It's the
plis
next
an
one,
plas. This is it, baby.
Oh. My bad.
Yeah, so there you go. This is what we're gonna be doing right now.
And get branché, paske video ke Verte promet ke li a pase chak vendredi sou seri Ann Serye. Désolé, Ann Serye nap lage pita. As soon as nou soti nan Home Depot, nap make sure nou lage. Branché, share it. Ensuite, si ke commentaire ou ka commenter ke pot sa
and
fè nou
subscribe,
pase
please subscribe, paske j'aime te di denyeman page mwen bon li pat hack e pa kel te hack but gon moun ki te kreye an lot page sou nom
tankou tout le jen ojo choso yo paske ou gon lot moun ki kreye an lot Instagram
you know le kon sa moun ap subscribe son page ki pa e poutan e pa page pa mni vreman so subscribe please tapos play. Subscribe.
Share it with your family, please.
Yeah.
So, that's all we have for you guys today. Nou rive nan Home Depot. Since nou pat mande permisyon pou nou filme an dan, we don't want to take the camera inside. So, e sak fè nou pa entre ansama avek nou.
Let nou finish
so, let nou finish it. Maybe later we'll say, we saw a few more things, our experience and everything. So, get branché. Ensuite, video pou pita nap lage as soon as nou rive la kay nou back. Nou reme nou, mersi an pil paske ou te la, ou tap gade ou te share. So, stay tuned and stay blessed.
Nou wala achete plywood, and nap tou fè yo koupe plywood yo. And nou gen peti deja, so salute.
Alright guys, love you, see you later.